how to buy agency token, the LARP detective agency token. As you can see, you can check the Rex account by clicking here. Now, as you can see, this is the Rex account, and make sure to check the Rex account before. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a professional economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to open this token in CoinGisco, and after that, go to contract. And now, as you can see, copy this token address. Now, make sure that this token address is under Solana network. Now, the best choice to buy this token is by going to buy it from Phantom Wallet. Now, log into your account like that. Now, after that, click on unlock. Now, after that, click on swap and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now, from here, just click on this and now paste the token address as you can see. Now, click on the token and now enter how much you want to buy. Now, after that, they will show you how much you will receive of that token. Now, from here, just select the provider. For example, Jupiter. Now, after that, make sure to read all this information and click on swap. Now, after that, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues on your buy process, just go back and switch this slip hash from here. So after that, you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the agency token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.